show that integration of x power minus 3 by 2 ln x dx limits are 1 to 4 is equal to 2 minus ln 4. Now how do I show this? See, initially I need to integrate this one, x power minus 3 by 2 ln x dx. Clear with step 1? Initially you should integrate this. Once integration is done, then place the limits and then simplify. You should get this to be your answer. Am I clear? Okay, so let us integrate now. How do we integrate? Before we integrate, you should analyze that it is a product of two things, x power minus 3 by 2 and ln x. Whenever you want to integrate a product, you should make use of integration by parts. Clear? Integrating a product, integration by parts. So now integration by parts formula is integration of u dv by dx is equal to uv minus integration of, here it is u, here you will get du by dx. Here it is dv by dx, here you will get v dx. Okay, now now I equate these two. When I equate, the question arises, which one should I take for u, this one or this one? That is told by the word "ilate." How does this word helps us? See, x power minus 3 by 2 is algebra A. ln x is logarithm, so L. Out of these two letters, whichever letter comes before in this word, that should be taken for u. Clear? The letter coming first in the word should be taken for u. Here L comes before A. So u is nothing but L. So ln x. And the other you should take for dv by dx. Minus 3 by 2, it is easier if I write minus 1.5. Okay, now here you take d by dx on both sides. So du by dx is equal to differentiation of ln x is 1 by x. Here you send dx to the other side. Why did I send? Because next step, integrate on both sides. So if you integrate this, cancel out, x power n form, integration of x power n formula, which is x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So this will be minus 1.5 plus 1 will be minus 0.5 by minus 0.5. And how do I simplify this? See, minus I write before, 0.5 is 1 by 2, this 2 will come up. So minus 2 x power minus 0.5. However, it's easier for us in that way I do. Okay, now see. So now replace all this in this one. So this will become now u into v. So ln x, v is this, minus 2 x power minus 0.5 minus integration of v, minus 2 x power minus 0.5 du by dx, 1 by x. So I take this x to the top, it will become x power minus 1. That I write here, x power minus 1 dx. Clear? See, when instead of writing 1 by x, writing x power minus 1 is easier. How is it easier? Means, in the next step, I will simplify these two. Had it been 1 by x, it would have been difficult. Not difficult, but more steps. Okay. Next. Now, this will I write here. So it is minus 2x power minus 0.5 ln x. Okay. Now here, this will not play any part outside. Minus minus plus 2. Integration of. Now what is the result of this? x power minus 0.5 into x power minus 1. Bases are same, you will add the powers. So this will become x power minus 1.5. Okay, so instead of these two, I write now x power minus 1.5 dx. Now, so this is minus 2 x power minus 0.5 ln x plus 2 integration of x power minus 1.5 that we already found before. We got it to be this one, minus 2 x power minus 0.5, that I write here. Okay, now, so this is minus 2 x power minus 0.5 ln x, here plus minus will make it minus 2 into 2, 4 x power minus 0.5. Okay, I can take minus 2 x power minus 0.5 common. So here this came out, left with ln x. This came out of 4, 2 came out, so leaving with 2. And minus also came out, so it will be plus. If doubt, multiply and see, still you get the same thing. Okay, now integration is completed. Now we put the limits. What are the limits given? 1 to 4. So brackets 1 to 4. Now upper limit minus lower limit. Upper limit is 4, so minus 2, 4 power minus 0.5 into ln 4 plus 2 minus lower limit 1. So minus 2 into 1 power, anything is 1 in the bracket. ln 1 is 0, so this is gone. 0 plus 2. Okay, so what do I get? 4 power minus 0.5 is 1 by this entire thing. If you put in the calculator, you get 1. So this is minus 1 times ln 4 plus 2 minus, here this is minus 2. Minus 2 into plus 2 is minus 4. Understood? Careful with the calculation. Now, multiply with negative sign. So minus ln 4 minus 2. Minus minus plus 4. So minus ln 4 minus 2 plus 4 is plus 2. So this is our answer. Okay.